SpongeBob Fan 1234 Productions presents Vore Dog, Episode 1. A new hero in Animal Grand City. Da-da-da. Hello there, my name is Vore Dog, and I am the new superhero of Animal Grand City. I just arrived to the cycle. Help! 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 My baby! My baby! Oh no! I gotta go help! Hey, you there! Help, my baby! You there! Get away from that baby dog! What are you gonna do about it, Bum? I'm the new superhero here, Vore Dog, and I will defeat you. Please don't hurt me anymore. I will. Man, beating up bad guys is more than making me a little hungry. There's nothing to eat here. Oh well. Time to put you in jail. Permanently. What's that noise? Ah! It's you being digested. Yeah, that's nice. Thank you, Vore Dog. You saved the day once more. Da-da-da-da. Credits. SpongeBob Fan 1234.